Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb. I'm sitting inside of the Buick Envision Avenir. This time I'm going to be showing you the hands-free liftgate, or in this case, it's the kick feature, to show you exactly how it works and to make sure it works every single time. I'm going to go ahead and show you, so let's hop right in. So as you hop out of your Buick Envision, now this is if you've had it started up and you want to make sure it works. You're going to go ahead and hop out, close your door. Now you will have to wait a few seconds, about 15, but to do immediate reset, just close one of the back doors. And then now back here you have the Buick logo, and you're just gonna kick right under it. And it's gonna cut that signal there, and it opens it right away. Now once again, I'm gonna have it in my hand, and you can do that to close it as well. And then it closes it. And just like that, you're able to open and close your rear lift gate hands-free. Now you also have it from the key fob, and then you have a button here as well, which is right here. And then there's also a button inside of the vehicle. I'm gonna go and hop in and show you. It's on your driver door near your Bose speaker, and it's right there. Now, one other important thing I want to mention, and I'm gonna show you this first and then show you how to get to it. You wanna make sure you're in comfort and convenience, and you have this hands-free exterior storage access. If you want it to open and close, turn it on. If you want it to open only, turn that on. Or if you want to turn that feature off, you can do that. Now, if you're on your home screen, you go into settings, you go into vehicle, and then you're going to scroll down to that comfort and convenience. And then hands-free exterior or storage access is just right there. Thank y'all again for watching. It's a very useful feature once you get the hang of it. And it works very well as long as you've done the necessary precautions to make sure it does, as I've showed you. Thank y'all again for watching. I'll see y'all soon.